Meaning of illustrate.
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 Illustrate. The word illustrate means to clarify or explain something by providing visual or graphic representations of it. This can include drawings, diagrams, photographs, charts, or other forms of visual aids. By illustrating a concept or idea, it becomes easier for the audience to understand and remember. This is often used in educational materials, presentations, and publications. In essence, illustrations serve as a complement to verbal communication, helping to reinforce key points and provide a richer, more engaging experience for the viewer.